Assalamu alaikum 7th class. Hope you're all fine. Unit number 6, electronic mail. Students, yesterday we have learned about that how can we create an email account. Now today we are going to learn about that how can we sign in an email account. Topic 6.2.1. It's on page number 136. To sign in an email account. Sign in means to log in or enter in an email account. After creating an email account, a user can access his email account at any time and send or check his emails. To sign in Gmail account, open Gmail page by clicking on Gmail. The following window will appear. In the diagram, you can see the window, that is Gmail sign in window. Now the next step is enter Gmail address and password. Password letters appears as dots so that the password remain secure. Click on sign in. The Gmail account will open provided the typed Gmail address and password are correct. In the diagram, here is the password which are showing in dots. By enter your password, now you have to click on the sign in. Topic 6.2.2. Recognizing the parts of email message. Once a user has created an email account, he can send and receive emails in seconds by opening his account. The main parts of Gmail message window are shown below. Students, when you created an email account, now you can send and receive emails in a seconds. Now we can see the main parts of Gmail messages window. Students, this is the Gmail message window. New message, to, subject, CC, BCC, and this is the option of send, attach files, emojis. Now we can learn about these terms in detail. First is to. In this box, a user type the email address of the recipient, a person who will see this message. Students, to is referred that this is the person for whom the mail is intended for. Second is CC. CC is an abbreviation for carbon copy. This feature is useful when a user wants to send an email to several people at once. To add CC recipients, click on CC and press shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus C. CC, that is called carbon copy. The people who should know about the information which is being shared and the people included are able to see who is there in the list. For example, you are sending a mail to some other team and keeping the managers in CC so that they are aware of the mail and may provide some input if necessary. Third one is BCC. BCC is a short form for blind carbon copy. This is similar to CC feature. The only difference is that the BCC recipients are invisible to all of the other recipients of the message. To add BCC recipients, click on BCC or press shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus B. BCC is the abbreviation of blind carbon copy that allows the sender of a message to conceal the person entered in the BCC. BCC field from the other recipients. The other people are not aware if you include anyone in BCC. Remember students, the shortcut key for the CC is Ctrl plus Shift plus C and the shortcut key for the BCC is Ctrl plus Shift plus B. Now the fourth part is subject. Subject line is the most important components of the email. In subject line, a user writes a description of the message. For example, if a user informs his friend about birthday party by email, his email subjects will be the birthday party. Subject line is optional, but people do not like an email with missing subject. Students, an email subject line is the first text recipient sees after your sender name when an email reaches their inbox. It is important to keep an email subject line informative, catchy and brief. Now the fifth part is attach files. By clicking this button, a user can attach files and photos to an email. An email attachment is a computer file sent along with an email message. One or more files can be attached to an email message and be sent along with it to the recipient. Now students, come to the exercise. Today we are going to cover exercise A, question number 11. What is the purpose of to box in email message editor? Its answer is on page number 137. Starting from the heading 2, in this box a user type the email address of the recipient, a person who will receive this message. Now the subjective question, exercise F, question number 2. Discuss briefly the following parts of an email message: to, subject, CC and BCC. Its answer is also on page number 137. Answer is starting from the heading 2, whole paragraph, CC, whole paragraph, BCC, whole paragraph, and subject, whole paragraph. This is the answer of exercise F, question number 2. Students, you have to learn these two questions. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.